Manual bookkeeping is one of the biggest time drains for small business owners, bookkeepers, and accountants. But with the right tools, much of that process can be automated, saving time, reducing human error, and keeping your financial clean and audit ready. That's where Hubdoc, especially when paired with Xero, comes in. Hubdoc is a document collection and data extraction tool built to feed receipts, invoices, bills, and statements directly into Xero, your cloud accounting system. Instead of entering expenses line by line or chasing paper trails, Hubdoc automatically pulls data, scans documents, and syncs it into your chart of accounts. In this video, we'll walk through the most essential features that streamline your workflow and explain why this combination is ideal for modern cloud-based bookkeeping. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the automatic document collection. Hubdoc connects with your vendors and banks to automatically fetch financial documents like monthly bills, utility invoices, and bank statements. You can also upload photos of receipts, email attachments, or scanned files, and Hubdoc organizes them in real time. You no longer need to track down statements or wait for clients to send them. Hubdoc keeps all your financial documents in one centralized hub, reducing back and forth and eliminating paperwork chaos. Another key feature is the OCR powered data extraction. Once documents are uploaded or fetched, Hubdoc uses optical character recognition to read and extract key details, vendor name, amount, date, and category. It then prepares this data to be pushed into Xero as a transaction or attachment. This eliminates manual data entry and reduces human error. You get clean, accurate bookkeeping entries without typing, copy pasting, or rechecking numbers every step of the way. Another key feature is the seamless integration with Xero. Hubdoc syncs directly with Xero, letting you publish transactions into the correct accounts with a few clicks. It can automatically attach source documents to your Xero records, providing full audit trails even for tax season. Your accounting becomes both faster and more compliant. Hubdoc not only pushes the data, but also brings along the proof, making reconciliation smoother and reports more trustworthy. Another key feature is the mobile receipt capture. With the Hubdoc mobile app, you can snap pictures of receipts or invoices on the go. Whether you're at lunch with a client or picking up supplies, Hubdoc will scan the photo and extract the data instantly, then sync it to Xero. No more saving receipts in your glove box or inbox. Hubdoc makes it easy to capture expenses in real time, so nothing gets lost and your books stay current even when you're mobile. Another key feature is the organized digital filing cabinet. Every document you add to Hubdoc is stored in a searchable, cloud-based folder system. You can tag, sort, and search files by date, vendor, or category. And everything is backed up and accessible for reference or review. No more sifting through Dropbox folders or cluttered email chains. Hubdoc keeps your financial records neat, searchable, and always available when you or your accountant needs them. So, why is Hubdoc a great choice? Hubdoc with Xero is one of the best combinations for small business finance management in 2025. It removes repetitive admin tasks and gives you real time visibility into your cash flow and spending. For bookkeepers and accountants, it means fewer client follow ups and more accurate data. This combo is especially great for service based businesses, sole proprietors, and startups that don't have time or staff to manually track every transaction. And as Zero continues expanding integrations and automation, Hubdoc remains a key part of its ecosystem. In a landscape where digital receipts, remote teams, and compliance pressures are the norm, automating bookkeeping isn't just nice, it's necessary. Hubdoc does it without requiring tech skills or deep accounting knowledge, making it accessible to nearly any business owner. So basically, Hubdoc simplifies the bookkeeping process by automatically fetching, reading, and organizing your financial documents. And when paired with Zero, it turns that data into clean accounting entries ready for reconciliation, reporting, and compliance. It's a smart way to take the pain out of paperwork, cut down on errors, and focus on running your business, not just balancing your books. So, whether you're a business owner or a bookkeeper managing multiple clients, Hubdoc and Zero together are a modern, efficient, and user friendly way to stay on top of your financial records in 2025. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.